Hello, welcome to the English podcast for beginners. I am your host, Lovely. I am so happy to be here with you today. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to feel happy? Do you want to make others happy? Good. Our topic today is kindness. Kindness is a superpower. And it is very, very simple. What is kindness? Kindness is a warm feeling. It is a friendly action. You can help someone. You can say a nice word. Kindness is not big. It is not loud. It is often small and quiet. But small acts of kindness can change your day. They can even change your life. Let's think about a feeling. You are having a bad day. You feel a little sad. Then a person smiles at you. Just a simple smile. How do you feel? You feel a little better. Your day feels a little brighter. That is the power of kindness. Now let's think from the other side. You are the kind person. You see someone, they look lonely. You say, "Hello, how are you?" And you listen. This is a small act. But how do you feel? Do you feel good? I think you feel warm inside, yes? So, kindness is a gift for two people. It helps the person who receives it, and it helps the person who gives it. Amazing, right? We are all human. We all have good days and bad days. Kindness connects us. It tells another person, "I see you. You are important." Being kind is also good for you. It is good for your health. When you are kind, your brain feels happy. Your body feels calm. You feel less stress. You feel stronger. When you help others, you feel useful. You feel you have a purpose. Your small act makes the world better, and you are an important part of that better world. So, what can you do? It is simple. Smile at a stranger. Say thank you to the bus driver. Send a nice message to a friend. Help a friend with their work. Listen to someone. Really listen. Offer your seat to an older person. These actions are small, but they are powerful. Remember one important thing. Kindness starts with you. To be kind to others, first be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like a friend. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Forgive yourself. Rest when you are tired. This is self-kindness. From this warm place, you can give more kindness to the world. So, my wonderful listener, I have a small request for you. This week, try one small act of kindness. Just one. It does not need to be big. Notice how it makes you feel. Good, warm, happy. Notice how the other person feels. Do they smile? You have this power. You can create a small moment of happiness, and you will feel happy too. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Remember, your simple, friendly actions make a difference. Keep learning English and keep spreading your kindness. I believe in you. Until next time, be well.